So today we wanted to show you how to update your apartment specials. So going to your admin dashboard, you'll go down to specials, and to update the banner up here, you'll see that it's the first one. You'll click edit. Right now it says up to $800 off December rent. I'm gonna add don't wait, update special, refresh the page, and as you can see, it updated in real time and added don't wait. You'll just want to make sure that you set an expiration date, otherwise it'll continuously run. If I wanted to get rid of that, I would just set it for a day before, update special, and as you can see, there's no special popping up. Since I want that to show, I'll set my expiration date to the 30th. Refresh my page, and the banner comes back. You can also update your floor plan specials. So as you can see, Riverwalk has a special going on for 1 bedroom, $400 off December rent. So we'll see that here. And there's 1 unit available, but we can change any of those things. So again, I'll add don't wait, change that to 2, update special, refresh my page, and there it is, 2 apartments available, don't wait was added. And again, if you don't want any specials on your individual floor plans, you'll just set the expiration date to the day before. Going to the pop-up, we have no expiration date, but I'll add one. Update text, refresh my page, and there you have your pop-up move-in special. So there you have it. That's how you update your specials on the admin dashboard. If you're wanting to learn more about your admin dashboard, we'll be doing more clips like these in the next few weeks. So subscribe to our YouTube channel.